Okay. Daddy. You are a big boy. For this reception, you do reception. I dey suspect you. Who they do reception for Buhari era? I shocked when I see menu. After small chops, big chops still dey. I hope no be buffet. Daddy, if no be say Bible say more no they swear. I nearly say I swear to God. If you do buffet here today, you go enter news tomorrow. Because these people not get news again. Daddy, just make all the everybody not popular now with oh God. Bet tomorrow you go see for news now. Those dancers will wear soldier uniform. You go see them for news. Apostle Suleiman employs soldier to guide his church. Anything we go just make the enter news. And Daddy, you know we are funny. So now you know go come feed dinner. You know why I like Daddy? Daddy know they won't answer. That once they do that thing, Daddy they behave like man-made God. They get here, you know they hear. Where Daddy no go feed deny him. As a dance. Now the boys can't stand for in front. Cause salute. Him can't stand up. You go see people. If not lie, why did they greet him? Nigeria, everybody in this country right now, since this new government enter, we don't know what they have. When they come, they promise us change. As they enter, they change the promise. Right now, this is not the only country for the whole world where you go see somebody they reverse for roundabout. What it cause them? Confusion. You see when mama they sing, Papa just stand up, just come out, see that romantic moment. Mama, that's so many messages they be, I don't tire. Which one is every day? Man of God go to preach, people go to sit down like say person die. Do something extraordinary. Once Daddy say, I see the Spirit. Mommy, you go just stand up, just give her. Oh baby, you they preach. Mwah. You are a preachist. everywhere go to shout, ginger, whoa. Everywhere you're the door. I like this. Oh no. That it's been a long time I saw you, and then when they say a birthday, I say we're coming. Who be them? They're not rich. You know the funny thing? When you speak, they won't keep you quiet. Me, if they quiet you, I'm not going to talk. Who am I? Imagine as I did now, they can arrest me. Now pride for my family now. Now because now Daddy, they do like say, me, no, as I did now, you don't read news tomorrow. Headline, comedian, a cappella, arrested by federal government. Now you got to tell your guys, but that guy don't make a move. Now him and government, they get problem now. Not the quarrel, federal quarrel. Now me go to tell my lawyer, don't speak yet, so don't speak. We quarrel, federal quarrel. Now, they do everything and then they expect us to keep quiet. When they want buy house, they go US or they go UK. They want go treatments, they go Germany. They want born their children, they go US. They want go vacation, they go Dubai. When they die, they'll come bury them for Nigeria. Nigeria na cemetery. Which kind of nonsense be that? Do things, make everything day here. Everybody now don't tire. We used to think that the officials were corrupt. Right now, we don't confirm, say corruption is official. Everything don't turn around. You know, if anybody where they here, where they go abroad, go attest to rank. Where we go abroad now, we know they buy anything, we just the price. The exchange rates don't humble everybody. Me and my friend Funny Bone, he just look me, say, Kapi. Oh, but we don't make her. We'll go buy something. I said, boy, pounds now 610. Oh. He said, forget that thing, we are big boys. Now we enter the shop. I know, say, average Nigerian man will not the press calculator. Once you call the amount, we know. Our esophagus, they function. Immediately you call 1,000 pounds. Somebody will just shout 600,000. We know. Now we enter the shop. Now I ask the woman, how much for this shirt? The woman said 98 pounds. Now that my friend, now look me. Oh, leave, it took us. Now 42.5. Now bulletproof. Come on. As we come up for the shop, now he say, go buy shoe. As we reach where they sell shoe, now I ask the woman, how much for this shoe? The woman says 600 pounds. Even me, I don't know when I ask the woman, how much for Naira? She says she don't know. When I go back to my hotel, go calculate them. That time, exchange rate, 600 pounds was about 380 something thousand. And I won't buy 4 shoes. That is, I'll come buy shoe 1.6 million. Me. Wait, I go carry full Tokumbo. Enter inside another Tokumbo. At the crest, except I go wear the shoe reach filling station. Say, hey, where are you? Full tank. Full tank, now my new car. Oh, Daddy, we just love you anyhow. We love you scatter. We love you Chris. They're not rich. If we start, they're not going to even stand. We not only us on our own, we be blogger. By the time I tweet, all my fans tweet the TikTok. See food everywhere makes sense. And they like this food, this particular like saying Yoruba people they cook. Because no, Yoruba party are the only party where they share food from beginning. If ask anybody, once you enter Yoruba man party, now from door they share food. Before you sit down, somebody go smile, come meet you. We have rice, begri, amala, tuwo. See, I don't go MC wedding for Akure. My brother, if you see food from like somewhere here to here, only my mind. They want their food, keep pressing. And that day, the food na buffet. And buffet is not good. You don't do buffet around poor men. You go village. Oh. If you want to do buffet around big boys. Big boys know they chop anything. They'll just reach the place. I know say those days, buffet, you serve yourself. But under Buhari era, buffet, somebody did that way hold the spoon. Because they no trust una. Some of una go serve una plate. Una place go come be like another service point. People go come the queue for una back. Now, big boys, see the way that they eat buffet. What's this? The guy go say rice. Rice. Ingo look time. It's late. Just give me salad and juice. Poor men. Now, basin they find so. As you see the basin, you can't smile for the guy where they share the food. How are you? The guy go say, fine. Yes, you people are doing well. Everybody's happy. See, everybody's happy for you. What is this? The guy go say white rice, put up. What is this jollof? Shifts the white one, put up. What is this fried rice? No let them fall, put up, we don't pay. What is this plantain? Oh, yeah, put small. What is this pounded yam? You never tell me say pounded yam there. Wait, they come. Oh, yeah, put pounded yam. Which soup be this? Egusi, put small. Wait, see be this, they'll come call something when no. Tasty poristus. You go looking, brother. You know him? Brother go so no. Put on people they chop and they know they die. Put on. Okay, I won't come out with this now. I need the band. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. If we get section, man. When I see daddy children, it gives me joy. Beautiful children. That's the result you get as a fine man. You marry fine woman. Your children go fine. If you are here, in your mind, you know you are ugly and you are single. I beg you in the name of God. No marry a woman. If not, you go born herbalist. So. I don't go MC one burial. The man was so when he died. They not for use your own picture for obituary. They can't put in Peking picture. Under they can't write, this boy Papa just died. On a good night. Good night.